John here. Welcome back to another My Seeing Monsters video. And today I'm gonna show you all one element Etheral sounds except Geode and Humbug because I don't have them. And here comes Gassed, first track. Okay, that never happened. And here comes the second one. Okay, now to the cold island. Grumpire. Here you go. We've got to try it like this. Oh, that sounds amazing. Yeah. Oh, yeah, let's go. Yeah. Anyways, let's do the rebro now. Oh, wait, let's try this. Oh, that's horrible. I love rebro. He's actually only my fourth favorite one element Etheral. And guys, that's gonna be all for this time. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. And bye.